students. I am Monsar from Trinity Educational Campus. Today we are going to start our online classes, and everyone who wants to listen this class and take your textbooks and notebooks along with you. Whatever I am teaching here, you should listen, and what you have that doubts, you may note down there and ask me that after the classes, and whenever you reading that lessons, if any doubt that you note and ask me. Now we can start the lesson. That first unit 1, a letter to God. It is written by G.L. Fuentes. So that lesson we can start. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat in the crest of a low hill. From his height, one could see the river and field of ripe corn, dotted with flowers that always promised a good harvest. Here is mentioned that in the top of the house, top of the hill, there is only one of the houses there that it is in the crest of the hill. From this height, one could see the river and the field of the ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. Whenever one of the person is coming on the top of the hill, they can see that the top of the place from rivers and ripe corn. That ripe corn, it is filled with flowers. It is like that, dotted like that. It is very small in size, and also there that the people they can understand that it is going to get a good harvest. Especially here the farmers, they were expecting that they were getting a good harvest in this season because it is filled with flowers. The only thing the earth needed as a downpour or at least a shower. Now these flowers are there, but it is the time they needed the downpour. This downpour means that is the rain. Wanted to get downpour means a heavy rain, but if the excessive of rain that it comes to that crops will be damaged. So it is shower is necessary there. Throughout the morning, Lenju, who knew his fields intimately. Intimately means that the person as a farmer he know that about the farm, what is necessary there. Then who knew his field intimately hadn't done anything else but see the sky towards the northeast. That the person starting means the farmer is looking at the northeast side because he know that today it is going to rain. If it is getting the rain, the cornfield will be get good crops. Now the next paragraph we are going to there. Now we are really going to get some water woman. Water woman means here it mentioned that man mentioning to his wife, here we are going to get some water, means it is going to rain. That woman mentioned there that the woman who was preparing supper, at that time the woman is preparing the supper. She replied, yes, God willing. God willing means God know that everything that is looking at from the sky, that means the heaven, that God knows that what is the condition of the earth. So God will be wish that He will be pour the water or the pour the rain towards the earth. The older boys were working in the field. At that time, they have the children. That elder one or the older one, they were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman told to them all that the smaller will play in the near the houses. The woman after preparing the food, she is going to call. Up to that time, they were playing near that place only. At the end of the day, the woman started to call, come dinner. Or come dinner means all of them wanted to come and having the dinner. It was during the meal that just as Lenju had predicted. So when they were having that lunch, at that time Lenju mentioned predicted means the person know that what is going to happen. He understood that the rain will be coming. That the time he has seen big drops in the rain began to fall. Whenever having the food that the time he has seen that the big drops of rain falling. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. Means it is going to cloud, means it is going to get the rain, means the northern side it is filled with the clouds. it is approaching, it is moving towards that the place. The air was fresh and sweet. That you know that for a longer time we are getting the rain, that time the surrounding place, that means atmosphere will be get that fresh and that is sweet. That means we told the people will be get that pleasant. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. Then whenever he has seen that the time he went to outside and having means getting some rain on his feeling his body that the rain is falling, that he gets some pleasure. And when he returned and explained, when he comes to the room and he mentioned to that his family, these aren't raindrops falling from the sky. The raindrops, it is not the raindrops. That is, it is very valuable thing. That raindrops, he is comparing that it is a new coins like that. It is very valuable. For a longer days after it is getting that time, the man is mentioning that or saying that it is a new coins like that. The big drops are 10-cent pieces. The Lencho mentioned here that the big drops is considering as 10 cents and the little ones are 5 cents. That the small raindrops it is falling as 5 cents. With a satisfied expression, he regarded as the field of ripe corn with its flowers. He satisfied the expression he had. He regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers. Whenever he has seen that the field is filled with the flowers, that it is going to get a nice growth. And dragged in the curtain of rain. At that time, all the field is starting to get the rain. It is covered. Curtain means it's covered with the raindrops. But suddenly, a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstone began to fall. Whenever the rain started, along with at sudden time, the hailstone also started to very speedy there. These truly did resemble new silver coins. Whenever that hailstone starting to falling on the ground, he mentioned here that it is as the silver coins, because silver means here that it's the whitish substance is falling that the time. He compared that hailstone as a silver coins. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen birds. At that same time, that the boys come out and they start to, which one is that? That falling of the frozen birds to collecting that. The children, you know that normally the children will be seeing that these things, that they were very playfully collecting this, and some of them will be having, some of them will be play with that. Same thing is happened here also. It is really getting bad now. So he mentioned there, Lencho mentioned that, yeah, it is really getting bad now. Exclaimed the man. Exclaimed the man means Lencho mentioned that this is the time this hailstone is getting very heavily. It is damaging the crops. That is, he mentioned that it is getting bad. I hope it passes quickly. I am thinking this hailstone will be go fastly that it did not pass quickly. Then he mentioned, but it is not pass quickly. For an hour, the hail rained on houses. That continued when that process is going on there, which one hail rained. Hail that is continuing that on the roofs, house roofs, garden, hillside, cornfield, on the whole valley. These are all the places that continued that rain and hail and storm. The field was white. That continuous way of process, whole field comes to white in color as if covered with the salt. That it is comparing that snow and it is looking like salt like that. Whenever we are keeping sprinkling some salt in the ground, it is in white substance like that. It is sponge. Not a leaf remained on the trees. And after that rain and hailstone, that the places are not remained any places. That means the trees is covered with the snow. So it is totally leaves covered there. Nothing can see that. The cone was totally destroyed. The continuous process there that hail falling that the time, that cone comes to damaged or destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. That beginning that time that the crops already that in the field that totally the flowers there that and now it is destroyed there. The flowers were gone from the plants. Means that whenever hail is continually falling that process, flowers removed from there. That flowers will be turned into fruits, but it is left. Lencho's soul was filled with this sadness. After saying this, Lencho's heart filled with sadness. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons. After that rain and hailstone stopped, he comes in the middle of the field and he said to his children and sons, a plague of locusts would have loved more than this. So we are saying that sometimes that the infectious way of that disease spreading that on the field like that. One type of creatures that means the insect will be coming to cornfield or that paddy field or whatever that. Here that the cornfield that insects came and sometimes it will be damaging the crops. That the time some of the crops will be remain, but this time nothing there left because that hailstone falling on the time all that field it comes to damage. Then he mentioned to his children, the hail has left nothing. After that hail, that the field comes to totally damage, nothing there left. This year we will have no corn. That this year after this process, no hail, no corn is in the field. So we are going to suffering a lot of this year. That was a sorrowful one. So this after seeing this process, or means after the hailstorm and hail wind, that his heart is filled with sorrow, and the night he can't sleep soundly. All work for nothing. Throughout the time, they worked hard. At the end of the time, nothing there left. There is no one can help us. In this situation, no one will be help to them because that is an isolated area. It is in the top of the or the crest of the mountain. No one is there. That only the Lencho's house is situated in the crest of the mountain. We all go hungry this year. Now we will go hungry this year. Means we are nothing will be left there, and we are not going to get any crops. So this year we are going to starving. Means bhuk se hote. Then here some meanings from this para. So that the important meanings that means you have some doubt that first one I will say that this will be right in your motto. Predict means foretell or foretell future. That is saying about the future. Next one is resemble. Resemble means look like or same as. Next one trapped, covered with the clothes. It is covered. That the cornfield is covered with. That means the hailstone falling after that the field will becomes to which one? Whitish substance. Next one hailstone means small pellets of ice. That small pellets that means it is pieces of ice cubes. Next one, plague. Plague means widespread affliction. That means one kind of disease like that it is spread on the ground or a cornfield. Next one is locust. Locust means insects which fly in big groups and destroy the crops. That the insect sometimes it will be entering into the cornfield or that farm, and they will destroy the crops. That is locust. Next one is conscience. Conscience means inner sense of right or wrong. But we have a thinking in our mind that whether it is right, sometimes it is wrong. That we can know that like a God only. Another one is that we are going to come. That pesos. That part we are going to. And also here some questions for you. That the oral comprehension there that these 4 questions you should read and find out the answers from the textbook. If there is any doubt, you should ask me by phone call or otherwise send the messages and give the answer clearly.